guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lizette and I am Get Ready with Liz. As you can see, today I decided to create this look, which I was not expecting to be this. Like, honestly, I didn't have anything planned. So this was just like a, okay, let's do it, and then let's see what it come out. So this is what it came out, and I'm really happy that I actually did it, because I don't know if you guys have heard about if you plan things, they never come out right. But whenever you don't plan anything, then boom, something always nice happens. So this is my case right now, and I'm really happy the way this turned out. Alright, so too much talking, let's get into this. So go ahead and grab your makeup, your brushes, whatever you got, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna clip our hair back. So I'm just gonna take two bobby pins and then just clip it back, just so my hair doesn't come in my face. For today's look, I'm going to be using two different palettes. The first one I'm going to go in is the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And please guys, excuse my dirty palette. But today I'm going to be using these two colors, a transition color. And the second palette that I'm going to be using today is the Sahara 2 by Juvia's Place. So today I'm going to be using mainly these two colors, and then this color right here as well. For my transition color, I'm going to be using the Rosiana by Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. And I'm just going to apply all of these in my crease area. Today I'm going to be using circle motions all over my entire area. So now taking the Sahara 2 by Juvia's Place, I'm going to be taking this color right here. And with the Morphe M535 brush, I'm going to be applying this. Again, I'm going to be doing circle motions. So now taking this color right here from the Juvia's palette, I'm going to be using a smaller brush. It looks just like this. This is kind of like a precise brush. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just place this in my outer corner, making sure that it's just in my outer corner, nothing above it. So it's just going to be right here. And then I like this brush because it has two different endings. One is like a little blending brush. It's just going to help me blend it without moving the color too much up. Take the color again, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it right in my inner corner. And then it helps when you look down, so make sure that you place the mirror right under, and so that way you can stretch your skin a little more and it'll help you. Again, I'm going to switch, and then I'm going to blend. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so here's the fun part, guys. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. glitter glue to put it right in my center to create that halo eye. So what I did, I actually put a little bit in the back of my hand, and I'm going to take this concealer brush. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just place this glue right in the center. Now with the flat brush, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to place it right here, and look what it does. It's just super pigmented. It's amazing. So now taking back the BH Cosmetics number 5, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start buffing out the edges. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to bring it up. Kind of clean up the edges. And then with my flat brush, I'm going to just press and slide the color. And again, taking the same brush, I'm going to buff everything and make sure that I clean up those hard edges. So now with the makeup remover wipe, I'm going to clean up the edges, preparing this for the eyeliner. The liquid eyeliner I'm going to be using today is from NYX, and this is in the Vanilla Liquid Eyeliner in the color black. Okay, for my eyeliner, what I'm gonna do, so you guys know how I clean up with the makeup removal wipe, so I have a very sharp line there, so that's what I'm going to use as a guide. Okay, so I have created that line right there. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to like connect it. So I'm gonna start off in the inner corner. Okay. And then right at the edge, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to connect it. Just like that. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye and the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to finish up the look on the eye. For the lashes, I'm going to be using the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. For my waterline, I'm going to be using this color right here with the Morphe M507 brush. So I'm just going to place this color right halfway out. And so I'm just going to leave the center with no eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking this color right in here, and I'm going to intensify the color previous. I'm going to do the same procedure. I'm going to go back to my glitter glue, and I'm going to apply this right in the center. I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to apply it. Wow. So I'm going to take this black gel eyeliner pencil to do my waterline. And taking the Light Camera Splashes by Tarte mascara, I'm going to cut in my lashes. So for the finished touch, I'm going to go in with this black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to do my inner pointy look. So what I like to do with this, I like to look right in front, and I'm going to start off with a little pointy there, and then I'm going to connect it to the top. Okay. So I was debating whether to put some glitter or not, but I think I am going to put a little bit of glitter just because I really want to take it to the next level. So the glitter I'm going to be using is the Heavy Metal by Urban Decay. This is in the color AMP. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply it. I think I just want to apply it right here, right in the center of my lower lashes. You see that, guys? Actually, I'm going to apply it as well on top. So I'm going to look down and I'm just going to apply a little bit. Ooh, yes. And for the highlight, I'm going to be using the Master Chrome by Maybelline New York, and this is in the color Molten Gold. Okay, and to finish this look, I'm going to be using the Kiss Me Life Glam Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Skin, and this one I just got it today. This is from this month collection. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I was not expecting to go all over this, but I love the way this turned out. And what you guys, the lips, oh my gosh. oh my gosh, I'm really happy about the way this look turned out. So I hope you guys like it as well, just as much as I did. And I think I made the right decision of adding glitter. Honestly, I think I did. Like, wow, looks so beautiful. I hope you guys like this tutorial, guys, and if you do, please give me your thumbs up. I will appreciate it, and thank you so much in advance. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the ring bell notification so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.